Hello and welcome to this week's weekly Forex watch list. First on our list is Aussie Kiwi. Reason being is it's a nice inverted head and shoulders pattern, and once price breaks above this sort of downward sloping trend line, price has a fairly high likelihood of going higher, especially if it breaks above 50 EMA as well. Although to be honest, it hasn't really been respected that much in the past, so maybe potentially ignore that one. The 200 EMA is the next potential go-to zone. As you can see, it has reacted to that one. Be simply a case of which currency is the strongest, whether it be the Aussie or the Kiwi. That's just something we go over in our Forex library. If you're interested in finding out which potentially could be the stronger one, that's something we go over in that particular subject. The next up is Swiss yen. This one is a nice short potential opportunity with a double top on a key line and quite nice deceleration. Price has very much struggled to get above there, meaning that price could head down to at least this area quite easily, and it's a potential area for a nice short position. So next up is Euro Swiss. Euro Swiss, again with correlation analysis, as you can see with maybe a few pairs that we mentioned. Euro Swiss has the potential to go long. It is a nice pin bar on the weekly on this very nice historical key line. The number isn't exactly right, but it's a good area to potentially look for longs. Another one is pound CAD. Let's have a look. This one is a potential short. Reason being is it's rejected this trend line downwards, and last week had a pin bar. Not a very strong thing because it had a massive bullish engulfing. However, this week had a bearish engulfing. So we could potentially look for a short, but it wouldn't be for a longer term thing. It would actually be for quite a short term, maybe a week at max, maybe 2 weeks. It would still have a stronger bullish bias coming down to a value area around about here. So that's one to keep an eye on. Next up is Kiwi CAD. The reason being is it's coming up quite nicely to this zone. You could even argue that this is a nice left shoulder, the head, and this is potentially the right shoulder forming in this key zone of resistance. And as you can see, price shot up, and in the past 2 weeks it's decelerated, so the chance of it going down is quite high. This is going to be one I'm going to keep a very close eye on. And the last one is the FTSE 100. Let's see. There we go. Reason being is we have this one in a nice, very nice supply-demand zone here. Comes up in a nice trend overall. This is a very trending market, as you can see. And last week it formed a pin bar, and same with the week before. So that means that a lot of buyers are actually in this area. So potentially we could see price head much higher, or we could see price head lower. But more than likely is it heads higher with the pound weakening. Again, that's something that we also go over in much greater detail in our Forex library and correlation analysis. So you can find out why these sort of things happen and see how you can adapt to them and potentially profit from them and look for trades based upon those sort of analysis areas. And that is pretty much it for this week's watch list. Hope you've enjoyed it, and any questions or whatever, please feel free to shoot us an email on our website. The details will be listed in the bottom of our video. And we hope you have a very profitable week and have a good one. Thanks very much. Bye.